We're Simon Graeme Auto Service Centre. We're just on the outskirts of Harrogate. We've been established just 34 years now. Yeah, I suppose we dropped on X-Heat, as we were saying, just by chance really, and then we were looking to heat our new facilities, obviously, that we're in now, and we were trying to find a green way and an economical way of doing it as much as anything, because the whole building is just about carbon neutral, including, we've got massive solar on as well, so we're trying to be the first green garage in our area, if I'm going to be honest, and that was always our goal from the start. So X-Heat sort of ticked all them boxes as well for carbon neutral. So in terms of work with X-Heat, absolutely spot on from the first conversation. Yeah, our space, we've got 6,000 square feet out here. The heating system is remarkable really, and still strange because we're always warm. There's no noise, you don't know it's on, it's just on, and we're all working in a really nice space, which is it's worked out a lot better than we thought it would do, to be fair, because conventional heater would, as soon as you open the doors, because obviously it's a busy garage, the heat would disappear, where this just seems to keep us warm all the time. So it's it's a brilliant system, but a very hard to explain system. People don't understand it, but don't understand how efficient it's working. So from our space that we have now, it's doing everything and more probably than we thought it would do. It's weird now, like with the door down, if you go for a walk in there, you'll see what I mean. It's just weird. Because it seems to heat you as a person, because it's designed to only heat soft tissue more than anything.
Yeah.
But it's weird how it picks you up. There's a good span as well, like that one will go to about where he is with that car now and go right the way to that wall. So, but we sort of designed this, and it heats you wherever you are in that workshop. We had our first 1,200 litre top up in our tank that we have, and we just literally sat down and worked it out, and it's £27 a day to run 6,000 square feet. So yeah, it's doing everything that it said it would do. Sometimes I complain it's too warm, which is good, and it's freezing outside. But generally speaking, they all feel the same way, that they're just warm all the time. So we're not having to wear extra clothing, hats, gloves or anything. It's just, the space is just heated to a really nice temperature, actually, to be fair. So everybody's working probably more efficiently than which is what it's all about, is keeping everyone happy, because staff are hard to find, and I think that, yeah, it just works. Working with X-Heat has been great. The product that they're selling, obviously we're new into it, but it's certainly working very well for us. And the alternatives out there aren't that great for any industry, because everything is designed to run and disappear as heat, where this is a very strange heat that's not disappearing anywhere. So I would recommend them. It's working brilliant for us, and anybody wants to come and have a look, they're more than welcome to. And yeah, definitely use X-Heat again.